If you're an online entrepreneur and you've got offers on the table, so if you're a coach, consultant, or a course creator, then this video is for you. Or if you're an affiliate and you sell other people's products, programs, or software, then this video is for you as well. Or if you're a brand new beginner and you've never done anything online before and you want to discover how you can make money online, then this video is for you as well. Or maybe you're an online business owner and you're sick of running paid ads and you want to get more attention on you, generate more leads and more sales, then you'll get something from this as well. So let's jump straight into it. Vanilla marketing does not work. And what do I mean by vanilla marketing? Copy, paste. Trying to go viral, riding on trends, promising $10,000 months in the next 30 days, and not having any originality in your content. And when you're doing all this, your audience are not taking you seriously. Instead, you should be yourself, be unique, share your perspectives, your opinions, the lessons, your experiences that you're learning inside of your business. Because it'll give you the advantage over all of your competition and set you out from the rest of the crowd. So let's dive in with a real plan of attack that's easy and simple to execute and that you can follow. So there's 4 things that you need so you can make money online. You need an offer, a conversion process, a community, and content. Number 1 is your offer. This is what you're going to promote and sell so you can make money. 2 is your sales process that you're taking your customers through so you can be paid. Number 3 is a community of your own. And number 4 is your content. This content is going to attract your audience to your community, but it's also going to nurture relationships inside of your community for people to be raising their hands, to be reaching out to you with their credit card in hand to become your customers. If you don't have an offer to sell, then you can click on the link down below in the description, because you're going to get all the training and the information that you need to get set up quickly and start moving. Now, if you're not quite sure which social media platform to be using, then let me tell you about the platforms that I use. I use TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. And when you're brand new, just focus on one. And my recommendation would be Facebook, because there's a great synergy on Facebook between organic posts on pages and profiles, using Facebook stories, and sharing those stories onto Reels, and getting the audience that is engaging on your content to come and join your own Facebook group and to have conversations with them in Messenger. If you do not have your own Facebook group, then that's the number 1 priority that you need to be focusing on. Because I started my first Facebook group back in 2014. I grew my group to 3,500 members and I did 7 figures online from that group. And my 2 coaches who recently won the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award have done 7 figures with Facebook groups in the last 3 years and have recently migrated their community over to School, and they absolutely love it. On School, they've got their own program that's available that you can join for free, and it's going to teach you everything that you need to know inside of your business. And this is the main reason that they are hosting the 100 member challenge for free. So if you want to know the best and the easiest way to grow a profitable business and a community, then you should consider jumping in on this challenge. But only if you're serious about building a business that makes you money without having to sell your soul. For the sales process, there's many different options that you can take. You can book sales calls, or you can jump on 45-minute Zoom calls to see if people are a good fit to work with you and to close the sale. Or you can use our Zoom Sales Codex, where you can use Google Documents or PDF documents to help you close the sales. And this sales process has closed over $1.2 million in the DMs. In order for you to have more leads and more sales opportunities, you need to be having more eyeballs on you, your brand, and the offers. Now, there's a common misconception out there that you have to go out and create traffic, and that is totally incorrect, because the traffic already exists, because there's over 5 billion people every month using social media. The quickest and the easiest way for you to capture attention on your business and your brand is to be creating short form video content and distributing it onto social media. And you can be uploading your videos onto Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. If you struggle with content creation or overthink what type of content should I be creating, then I'd love to share with you 9 different buckets of content that you can start creating content from today. Number 1 is, who are you? Who do you help? Who do you work with? And how do you help people? Number 2 is to share a story, not just about business, but about who you are, your family life, where you live. People want to connect with you and resonate with your stories and understand your why. For most folks who want to connect with you, it's about family and more time. Number 3 are your experiences. What have you done? What have you achieved? How do you help your customers? What are you doing in your business? Why do you help folks achieve the goals that they achieve? Why do you work one-on-one with your clients? Number 4, beliefs and perspectives. What do you value in life? What do you stand for? People want to connect with you. Number 5 is your plan, your blueprint, or your roadmap. How have you achieved the goals that you've achieved? What is the process that someone has to follow so they can get that result? What are the steps on your blueprint that they can follow? How did you learn to achieve that goal? What program did you have to invest in? How much money did you have to invest into your knowledge and your training? Number 6, results, growth, testimonials. They can be your results or the results from the community that you are a part of. Who have you helped get a win in their business? How long did it take you to get that clarity? Number 7, strategies. Share them with people. Don't gatekeep them. Help your audience have that aha moment so they can get clarity and start having wins. Number 8, a call to actions. Weave these into your content to get your audience to raise their hands to say, I want that resource that you have, or I want to take you up on that one-on-one paid offer that's valued at $1,000. And number 9 is the engagement on your videos. Your goal from every video is to get engagement. It's not to go viral. It's not to get a customer. It's not to make a sale. You want to connect with the viewer that you are talking to. You want them to comment, to share, to save, to double tap so they can follow you. When you want help putting this all together, or if you want to get access to a simple training that will show you how to create content, then you can smash the link down below in the description to get access to our 100 member challenge for free. Now, I want you to go write a post. Talk about something that you've just learned from this video. Post it to your Facebook page. Create a 10-second Facebook story, download that story, then share it as a Facebook reel. Share that reel to Instagram. Now take that reel and upload it to TikTok and to YouTube Shorts, because there's 90 billion views every day happening on YouTube Shorts. Just post that video, because you're one video away from taking action. You could be one video away from growing your following. You could be one video away from growing your Facebook group. You could be one video away from attracting that customer. When you're creating your content, you want to be able to give away valuable information that is going to help your audience. After you sign up as an affiliate, when you smash on the link down below in the description, you're going to get access to the affiliate dashboard. Inside of the dashboard, there's a section that's going to have a lot of valuable assets that you can leverage. You can make copies of these valuable assets. You can download these assets, save them as a PDF document, and then upload them into your Facebook group and save them into the guide section. These assets are going to leverage your time and as a show of goodwill to your audience. These assets can solve problems, shift perspectives, help generate a result in someone's business, and it's one of the secrets to growing a private and exclusive Facebook group. So start talking about these new resources in the guide section of your Facebook group in the short form video content that you are going to be creating. In your content, talk to the person that is experiencing this problem that your asset in the guide section of your private and exclusive Facebook community can help solve. And this is how you're going to attract the right people to join your community. Now, from the content that you are posting onto social media, you want it to be taking the proactive approach and reaching out and engaging the people that are engaging in your content. If they are dropping a like or a comment, reach out to them in Messenger and just to send them a thank you. You can just simply say, hey Dave, thanks very much for commenting on my post about X, Y, and Z. What was your biggest takeaway from my post? From there, you're creating conversation through your comments. Then head over to their profile and leave a relevant comment on one of their most recent posts, because this is going to send notifications to them in Facebook and via their email to let them know that you've just left a message in their inbox, you've liked a post that they've recently had, and you've dropped a comment on their posts. And the law of reciprocity will kick in and they'll come back over to your message and they will respond to your message where you can start that conversation. If they don't respond straight away to your message, you can go back over to their profile and leave another comment saying, I sent you a message, did you get it? Now here's a couple of other examples that I've used to increase my engagement. And I've learned these tips from Jacob Karras, Jamie Gardner, Flip Moss, and Nate Ryan. And what all these guys have in common, they've all won the 2 Comma Club ClickFunnels Awards. Hey James, thanks very much for commenting on my post about X, Y, and Z. What was your aha moment from my post today? Or you could try something like this, because I do mix up my comments depending on my lead magnets and the offers that I'm presenting. Hey Jeff, thanks very much about commenting on my post about X, Y, and Z. I know this may sound a little forward, but would I be crazy to think that you would want to simplify the process that you follow to close sales by jumping onto Zoom calls? Or you could try something like this. Hey Kelly, I really appreciate you showing some love on my post about X, Y, and Z. I'd like to share with you a resource that's helped our students generate over $10,000 inside of their business. And I'll drop the link to that offer with that message. Now you can change these around and mix them up as well, depending on your post, your content, your lead magnets, and the trainings that you offer inside of your community. And just test which one works best for you. Now, if it's been a little while since you've spoken to people in the DMs, it's okay to keep your conversations cool and calm, because the goal of a conversation is to diagnose where they are at in their business. We want to figure out what their goals, dreams, and desires are, why they want to achieve that goal, what would it mean to them to achieve that goal, how their life and business will look after that goal has been achieved, why they've not yet achieved that goal, what they have tried, or what their biggest roadblock or challenge has been from them moving forward. When you understand, after you diagnose a conversation, to find out where they are in their business and in their process of becoming a customer, then you can move that conversation along to find out if you can actually help them achieve the goal that they're wanting to achieve. You could share with them a free offer on how to get 100 members into their new groups, or it could be a paid offer to give them the guidance, the support, and the bonus resources that they need so they can actually achieve the goals that they are wanting to achieve. From that conversation, you'll know more about them, you'll understand what they need help with, and you'll also understand how you can help them. And this is where you can present the offer to them to buy from you. The worst case scenario is that you can invite them over to join your new Facebook group, and you can invite them into the new 100 member challenge. They'll be able to come on that journey with you and to grow their new Facebook group. And when they are inside of your group, they'll start to see more of your long form content, which is going to develop a deeper relationship between the two of you, because your content is going to be busting myths, overcoming their objections that they are going to have. And at the same time, your content is going to be pre-selling them on you and your offers. If you don't yet have your own Facebook group, then you should really consider joining the new 100 member challenge by smashing on the link down below in the description, where you'll get all the information about setting up and growing your Facebook group and getting your first 100 members inside of your private and exclusive Facebook community. And when you smash the link down below in the description, you're going to get access to the free 100 member challenge. And when you jump into the community, you're also going to get access to the pre-challenge checklist. If you want to have more sales opportunities and start generating more leads, then you need to be creating content every day, because your content nurtures and develops relationships with your audience. And it also allows you to get your message in front of an audience every day so they can get to know who you are, what you do, who you help, and how you help people. Now, a lot of the old strategies that folks are still teaching inside of their courses, which people are paying nearly $2,000 to get access to, are to go and follow the influencers and the gurus that are in your niche, because they are running paid ads to attract their customers and their audience, are to join niche related Facebook groups for you to post content into to build your personal brand and your audience, to send cold DMs to people that are liking and commenting on your content, and to send them invitations in Messenger to come over and join your Facebook group. Now, I'm not saying that these strategies don't work, but you don't have to do that anymore if you don't want to. And forget about the fancy funnels, the softwares, the AI Chrome extensions, to making your first $100,000 online. If you focus on everything that I've spoken about inside of this video, so creating short form video content, building a community, having conversations with your audience inside of your community, and presenting them an offer, then you'll see an increase in audience growth. You'll have more leads and sales opportunities, and you'll have more people buying from you. And how do I know that? I've done this all before. I started my first Facebook group back in 2014 that allowed me to do 7 figures online. Now my brothers from another mother, Flip and Nate, have boiled this down to an easy and simple process that you can follow. They are going to teach you the skills that you need so you can bank an online income every month from the trainings available inside of their community. But it all comes down to you implementing imperfect action on what you've learned above. If you've got any questions about the strategies or the offers mentioned above in this video, then you can send me a message by clicking on the link down below in the description in Messenger, and I'm more than happy to have that conversation with you. But don't forget to join the free challenge by smashing on the link down below in the description, because you'll get access to the trainings and the resources to help you build and grow your Facebook community. And for the affiliates out there, you can make extra money by smashing on the link today, because you can earn up to 50% commission, which is about $475 on any of your referrals that upgrade. Now go and implement what you've learnt